The calm before the storm. How's it going, everybody? So the video that you're about to see is video clips from the car's performance this past Wednesday on June 20th at Auto Club Speedway on the Wednesday Night Lights. I made 3 passes. The first pass, it was about 7-ish, something like that. It was like 86 degrees outside. The second pass was a little bit cooler. It was down to like around 82, 83. The third pass, it was down into, I believe it was like 73 degrees at that point in time. First 2 cars I obviously beat, you'll see. The third car is the one that beat me. I have no idea what kind of car it was, if it was a Lexus or if it was a Nissan. If you guys happen to know, go ahead and leave a comment because I can't figure it out for the life of me. But currently these races were done with the bolt-ons that I installed this past weekend. If you watched the previous videos, you've seen that. And this coming weekend that's coming up, I'm going to have another part installed onto the car, which will, I'm pretty confident, will get me into the 13s. So this coming Wednesday, June 27th, I'll be out there at the track again, and I'll for sure break the 13s.
CB on the beat. Alright, what is on this kid? Oh, chill. Oh, wow. Oh, chill. Oh, only way to sign this skitty. Oh, hopping out the rave for skitty. Smashing on your bitch and skitty. Oh, run chill with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X. Chills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. Only way to sign this skitty.
Yep, Cam. By a mile. Slept on the light like a motherfucker.
I'm smacking no light. Intro titties on Skype. Smoke £1 to the face, just get it. Everything that you done did, I done did it. Buckets on swole like a 24 fitness. 800 bands just laying in the kitchen. Only way to sign is skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it. Smashing on your bitch and skid it. Run to the chair with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X. Chills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. Only way to sign is skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it. Smashing on your bitch and skid it. Run to the chair with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X pills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. Yeah, pick your rain froze, pick your rain froze, pick your rain covered and go. Put my diamonds on my neck, think I might choke. Had a threesome with your bitch with my eyes closed. Got my side hole, bring it through the back door. Oh, I got 80,000 in my envelope. I just got a Gucci game metal though. Then I got some homies that went federal. Got my two-tone protect. I smash a hoes and forget. I got a fridge on my neck. I smoking gas on the jet. Ooh, I just let it flex. Do that 2 million and tussies. Ooh, I made your arm to your groupie. And you know my little ooh, I got sticks that call it. All the way to sign this shit. I'm gonna break the shit. Smash my bitch and shit. Run that shit with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X. Chills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. All the way to sign this shit. Popping out the rave and shit.
That's how we do. Victory number 2. Scooty-doo!
Got a new bitch, and I got a new deal.
It's on street tires. What's the point of that shit? All that fucking tire smoking, he ain't going nowhere. 2 for 3.